Hello, I'm Aldona. I'm from Lithuania. I'm an actress and a teacher in Lithuanian Theatre and Music Academy, and we came here with our performance. So the performance people in Pakistan will see will be a mono performance. I don't take part in it, but we will see the performance where Pakistan actors will play the same as we play it in Lithuania. We create that performance, so it will be very interesting to see how your actors will play, for example, my role, and today we'll see two performances.
What about the story of the drama?
The drama of the performance where I was playing in Lithuania, and now we will see Pakistan actors playing. The main theme is about child, about women and men who wants to be parents, who don't want to be parents and to have children, who wants to have children but can't to have children, because there is, for example, in Lithuania, a lot of opinion about it. Is every woman have to be mother or not? For example, if every family have had to have child, or how many children we have to have, or why we don't have, what's the matter, why we don't have. So all these themes are in this performance from different ways of use.
A theater. Uh, my colleague Greta Grinevičiūtė is going to perform her solo dance piece, Dance for an Object, for the Washing Machine and Mother. I was working with her on the other performance, Dance for an Object and Child, that we're going to see remake of it, of Pakistani people. So we are very excited to see it.
What do you think theatre is most important for our culture and for our society?
Oh, I think it's very important because theater communicates with people in the topics that sometimes we're not so comfortable sometimes to talk about. And it's a very good place to raise important topics and issues and afterwards to discuss. And also it has this language of art that touches not only brains but also your heart. So I think it's very important. Birute.